A lot of you, our fellow real estate investors, are into building equity and add value to your properties. So you are usually dealing with exchanges in a property that involves some kind of repairs or construction. So the question today is, what rules apply to property exchanges involving construction? There are a couple of challenges involving property with construction. Our first challenge lies in the identification of a replacement property, particularly when the designated property is not yet constructed. Identifying replacement property within 45 days is difficult if the property is not yet built. To address this, it is crucial to emphasize the creation of comprehensive identification document. These documents should contain as much information as possible, striving for a level of detail that facilitates a clear understanding of the replacement property. Furthermore, ensure substantial similarity between the identified property and the eventual replacement, laying a robust foundation for a seamless exchange. Moving on to our second challenge involving dealing with partially completed real property, in the substantially the same rule as an additional layer of complexity, requiring careful consideration of deviation, such as variation in material or additional room in the construction. For example, if the replacement structure is built with a different material or have an extra room, it might fail the substantially the same test. To mitigate these complications, exercise caution during possession post-title transfer, especially in the midst of ongoing construction. Any significant deviation might result in a taxable boot. Our third challenge involves around title transfer requirements, which in some areas hinge on completed construction. So title transfer in some areas depend on completed construction, risking a taxable sale if not finished by the replacement period's end. Imagine a scenario where a taxpayer takes possession of a rental property through a deferred exchange. However, there is still $50,000 worth of construction work pending. If the construction is not completed within the replacement period, even though the taxpayer has possession, the outstanding $50,000 is treated as taxable boot. This implies that irrespective of the work's completion after the replacement period, the $50,000 become a taxable gain. This highlights the importance of completing construction within the specific time frame to avoid unfavorable tax outcome. To navigate this challenge, prioritize the completion of the construction within the stipulated period. Understanding regional title transfer requirements is crucial for avoiding potential tax implications. For all of these reasons, it's very important to have a detailed and complete identification document and a realistic estimate of the completion date. Lastly, we must address the impact of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, which have imposed limitation on like-kind exchanges, confining them to a state post-December 31st, 2017, with personal property no longer eligible for deferral. To overcome this challenge, both the relinquished property and the replacement property must be real property for IRC 1031 to apply. In conclusion, successfully navigating the challenges and deferred property exchanges require meticulous understanding of the specific hurdle presented and the implementation of the strategic solution. Thank you for your attention. Do leave a question or feedback for this video. See you at the next topic.